Hi, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Australia's gold mint is backing a crypto. Now, what we're talking about here is the government of Australia, and we're also talking about gold. So this is going to be really interesting. I hope you stay tuned. I think you're going to love it. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So, check this out. Australia's gold mint is backing a crypto token based on Ethereum. And this involves the government of Australia and gold. I love the picture of these kangaroo coins, these gold coins from Australia. I think they look great. So Australia's only bullion mint is backing a new digital token aimed to allow investors to trade the precious metal in real time. The Perth Mint Gold Token, PMGT, was launched by Infinigold on Friday and is backed 1-to-1 by Gold Pass certificates issued by the Perth Mint. The digital certificates are 100% gold backed and guaranteed by the government of Western Australia, which is the sole owner of the 120-year-old mint. So we've been talking about cryptocurrency going mainstream, and I think, when it comes to cryptocurrency going mainstream, there's been lots of news in the last few months of different government agencies getting involved in cryptocurrency. Here we have the government of Western Australia creating a gold-backed cryptocurrency. Recently, we heard about France getting involved in a Bitcoin startup that's building the Lightning Network, which is a second layer on the Bitcoin blockchain. We've also heard about China, who is getting involved with the Central Bank of China has announced that they're coming out with their own cryptocurrency. So it'll be a Chinese equivalent, I guess, of their currency in cryptocurrency, which is quite interesting. And then we have the Germany coming out and also getting involved in cryptocurrency in a couple of different ways, and even a German bank predicting that Bitcoin is going to go to $90,000 per Bitcoin before the end of 2020. So a lot of interest going on out there in the cryptocurrency world. Some very, very interesting things. I hope you hang on to your hat because I think we're just getting started. I think we're just now beginning to smell the aroma of a meal cooking, and the meal is going to be served very, very soon, and that meal will be mass adoption of cryptocurrency. So I think we're just smelling the aroma of mass adoption, which is just around the corner. And watch out, because when that happens, things will skyrocket. I mean, think about the number of people that were on the internet in 1995. It was about 0.4% of the world's population used the internet in 1995. And today we're really close to 60% of the world's population using the internet. And if you look at that on a graph, going from that 0.4, there was a huge parabolic increase as they got from 0.4 to 60%. I mean, it just had a huge, huge growth. I think we're going to see the same thing with the prices of things like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And the news of the Australian government is just another piece of the puzzle getting put in place that will lead to mass adoption and these dramatic increases I think we're going to see in the near future. PMGT is digitized gold that allows users conveniently to acquire and have entitlement over government, now notice this, government guaranteed physical gold stored at the Perth Mint. Can you say wow? In a trusted and cost-effective way. Infinigold said in an announcement, the token, designed with the assistance of professional service firm Ernst & Young, is aimed to offer an alternative to traditional gold investment products such as ETFs while using blockchain tech to allow real-time trading and settlement. Infinigold CEO Andreas Roof said, with the Perth Mint as a custodian of the underlying physical gold that backs PMGT, buyers will be able to access a secure and reliable token representing the strongest asset class to date, gold. So quite interesting indeed. I want to thank you for listening today. And how can I be of service to you? Leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you. Politely disagree with us, and because that's how we learn. You know, until somebody disagrees with you and challenges what you have to say, you don't grow. And so I'm interested in hearing your polite disagreements. Please put it in the comments below. In the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic